this tutorial, I will show you how to resize area and fit to one page in Excel 2007 or later versions. We can resize the print area and fit it to one page by changing the scale to fit setting. As you can see, currently it's not fit to one page. And this method is valid in Microsoft Excel 2007 or later versions. Click the Page Layout tab in the Scale to Fit group. Change both width and height to one page. And as you can see, it resizes the print area and there is only one page to print. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.